Hello everybody, I am Rosalia Pereira and I love to DIY. Right now I'm competing in DIY Hero 2022 and DIY Hero is about recycling and upcycling, and I just wanted to show you my beautiful doors. This door I got from a salvage place, but what I want to concentrate right now is here on the doorknobs. I use some recycled finials that I have from my previous home, and I wanted to make something different, beautiful and eclectic, and I will show you how to do it. I really want to think about the doorknobs as jewelry on the doors. So I hope you enjoy this tip. Until next time, please don't forget to vote DIY Hero Rosalia Pereira.